The 8th ranked product is Craftsman V20 Cordless Jig Saw. 3 orbital settings. Up to 2500 SPM. Bare tool only. CMCS 600B. Review score 4.7. Review count 1270 ratings. Price $79.99. Customers like. No info. Customers dislike. No info. The 7th ranked product is DeWalt 20 volts max jig saw. Cordless. Barrel grip. 3200 blade speed. Bare tool only. DCS 335B. Review score 4.7. Review count 2300 ratings. Price $167.95. Customers like. No info. Customers dislike. No info. The 6th ranked product is Craftsman V20 RP Cordless Jig Saw. 3 orbital settings. Up to 3200 SPM. Variable speed keyless. Bare tool only. CMCS 650B. Review score 4.8. Review count 104 ratings. Price $131.82. Customers like. No info. Customers dislike. No info. The 5th ranked product is Makita XVJ04Z 18 volts LX lithium-ion brushless cordless jig saw. Tool only. Review score 4.8. Review count 202 ratings. Price $199.00. Customers like. No info. Customers dislike. No info. The 4th ranked product is DeWalt 20 volts max jig saw. Cordless. DCS 331M1. Review score 4.8. Review count 513 ratings. Price $249.99. Customers like. No info. Customers dislike. No info. The 3rd ranked product is DeWalt 20 volts max router tool and jig saw. Cordless woodworking 2 tool set with battery and charger. DCK201P1. Review score 4.8. Review count 636 ratings. Price $346.60. Customers like. No info. Customers dislike. No info. The 2 ranked product is Milwaukee M18 Fuel D-handle jigsaw bare tool. Review score 4.8. Review count 2679 ratings. Price $134.00. Customers like. No info. Customers dislike. No info. The 1 ranked product is DeWalt 20 volts max XR jig saw. 3200 blade speed. Cordless. Brushless motor. LED light. Bare tool only. DCS 334B. Review score 4.8. Review count 8463 ratings. Price $133.99. Customers like. No info. Customers dislike. No info.